Next chapter, triangle, geometric part. So first we will discuss the definition of triangle. You know very well what is triangle. Figure we will draw. This figure is known as triangle. So the definition of this triangle will be a closed figure, bounded by R. You can say a figure bounded by three straight lines. Three straight lines are known as triangle, right? A closed figure, the first thing is what? Figure bounded by. Bounded by means that should be closed. What? That should be closed and straight lines. And we know that this is also a line, curved line, so this must be a straight line. So by the closing of the three straight lines, this figure is known as what? Triangle. Okay, now we will just correlate the terminology of triangle. So here just note it, very basic things. There are three sides of triangle. This is symbol of triangle. You can write completely triangle. Second, there are three angles in triangle. Three angles means the inclination between each two sides. Third point, there are, this is what? Side, this is angle, and there are three vertices. There are three vertices in triangle. This is known as vertex. Each corner is known as vertex. So plural number we will write vertices. So these are the three terminology related to the triangle. Now after this we will move towards the type of triangle. Okay, so to study type of triangles, we will categorize it in two parts. On the base of sides and on the base of angles, right? There are mainly two parts of triangle, side and angle. So on the basis of sides and angles, there will be more categorization. So we will study that. Now I am erasing it. You can take the screenshot. So the first thing we will discuss on the base of side, or you can say the first heading according to side of triangle, right? So according to sides of triangle, there will be three category. First is known as equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Second is known as isosceles triangle, and third is known as scalene triangle, right? There are three categories. First is equilateral, second is isosceles, and scalene. What is mean of these three triangle we will discuss one by one. So the first we will discuss, the first is what? equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Very simple things. Since we are studying regarding to side, तो साइड में 3 साइड्स होते हैं, तो उसके बेस पे हम 3 चॉइसेस हमारे पास हैं. आइदर all 3 are equal, or 2 are equal, or are not equal. So the first condition, equilateral. Equilateral means you can take it what? Equal. For hint, equilateral means equal, means when all sides are equal, then triangle is known as equilateral triangle, right? When all sides are equal, then triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Now we will draw the figure. This is the figure of equilateral triangle. Maybe it doesn't look like, but you will draw it. A, B, C. We will just symbolize this like this cuts mark. This will represent what? Single mark means all 3 are equal. All 3 are equal, and some key points related to this. Key points. First, all sides are equal. Second, when all sides become equal, then all angles are equal. So whenever given all angles are equal, you will say the triangle is what? Equilateral triangle. All sides are equal means triangle is what? Equilateral triangle. You can just think about this also. See, area is equal to under root 3 by 4 a square, right? Under root 3 by 4 a square, and height is equal to, this is for mensuration, for calculation process. You will learn this, we will discuss it, but it is for future. So this is under root 3 upon 2a, right? So this is the equilateral triangle. When all sides are equal, then triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Key points is what? All sides are equal and all angles are equal. One more thing you will just find out. What more thing? That when all angles are equal, and we know what we know, that sum of all angle of triangle is what? 180 degree. So you can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C, यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, that is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to x is equal to 180. So x plus x is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 60 degree. That is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. यहाँ आप लिख सकते हो 60 degree. What we have found, फिर से देख लीजिए. यहाँ पर प्रॉपर्टी से क्या है? ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल. हम एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी जानते हैं ट्राइंगल का, कि सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज 180. यहाँ ऑल एंगल इक्वल है, हमने कितना लेट कर लिया कि वो तीनों किसके इक्वल है? एक्स के. सो x plus x is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180. x is equal to 60 degree. So if ever in any triangle all angles are given 60 degree, तो आप समझ जाएंगे ये ट्राइंगल कैसा है? इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल. सो ये इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल का बेसिक है, वेयर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, ऑल एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. ये मेंसुरेशन के लिए आप लर्न कर लेंगे डेफिनेशन यहाँ पर. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट we will discuss the second type of triangle, the second type of triangle is what? Scalene triangle. What? Sorry, first we will discuss isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Iso means we will take two. Three sides are equal, done. Now when two sides of triangle are equal, then triangle is known as isosceles triangle, right? कब? जब ट्राइंगल की दो साइड इक्वल हो, मीन्स इस तरह से अगर हो, when two sides are equal, ये अनइक्वल हो। यहाँ हमने अलग मार्क कर दिया, ये सेम मार्क है तो इस वजह से लगेगा ये साइड इसके इक्वल हो। एनी टू साइड्स मीन्स इस तरह से भी हो सकता है, इस तरह से आपका भी हो सकता है, ये दोनों साइड इक्वल हो और ये अनइक्वल हो। हमें मिलना क्या चाहिए? टू साइड इक्वल। सो यहाँ भी टू साइड है, यहाँ भी टू साइड है, तो व्हेन टू साइड्स आर इक्वल देन ट्राइंगल इज नोन एज व्हाट? आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल। यहाँ पर आपका की पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा? पहला, टू साइड्स आर, एनी टू साइड्स आर इक्वल। दूसरा की पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा? विजिबल हो ना? दूसरा की पॉइंट आपका हो जाएगा अपोजिट एंगल अपोजिट टू, you can write angles opposite to equal sides are equal. You will note it. मैं इसको दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। एंगल्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल। व्हाट इज दिस? सो वी विल जस्ट लुक एट हियर। इसको हम प्रूफ भी करेंगे बाद में, अभी नहीं। सो दिस इज इक्विलैटरल, सॉरी, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल ABC. This is isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. So this statement is explaining that जो एंगल इन दोनों साइड्स के अपोजिट होगी, ये एंगल और ये एंगल, ये साइड इक्वल है तो ये दोनों एंगल भी क्या हो जाएंगे? इक्वल हो जाएंगे, राइट? सो this is the statement of isosceles triangle. The last, third one is what? Scalene. Third one is what? Scalene triangle means when no sides are equal, then triangle is known as scalene triangle, right? When no sides are equal means तीनों साइड अनइक्वल हो, तीनों साइड डिफरेंट हो, लाइक दिस ABC। तो यहाँ पे ये साइड तीनों क्या हो? अनइक्वल हो, देन दिस ट्राइंगल इज नोन एज व्हाट? स्केलिन ट्राइंगल। इसमें कोई साइड इक्वल नहीं होती है, कोई एंगल इक्वल नहीं होता है, ऑल थ्री साइड्स आर डिफरेंट। आप नोट कर सकते हो, ऑल साइड्स आर different, all angles are different, right? So this is the three triangle. one by one एक बार फिर से आप देख लेंगे। वन मिनट, स्केलिंग हम बना लेंगे इस तरह से, राइट? सो सपोज दिस इज ट्राइंगल ABC. सो three types of triangle according to the sides, all sides are equal, then this is known as what? Equilateral triangle. all sides are equal, all angles are equal, each angle is what? 60 degree. Isosceles means when two sides are equal. Isosceles means when two sides are equal. स्पेलिंग चेक कर लेंगे आप. And suppose this is triangle PQR, two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and this is MON, triangle MON, and this is scalene triangle. Why? No sides are equal, no angles are equal. So this is the three types of triangle according to the sides. In another class we will discuss types of triangle according to the angle. Acute triangle, obtuse triangle, right triangle. Okay, so for today this is done. Note it.